On this video, I'm going to show you how Inforbix helps you get more out of your Excel files. Here's the results for a search I did for the equipment list Excel file that I need a particular worksheet out of. And I'd like to be able to share and monitor any updates to this particular Excel sheet. So I go now here, and Inforbix automatically extracts the worksheet information from each one of the Excel files that I'm finding. In this case, for this particular Excel file, I noticed that there's quite a number of worksheets. Now, I'm interested in one in particular. I'm interested here in the bulkhead. So now what I can go ahead and do is I say Create Table. I'm just going to click here the Create Table tab on the far right. And what Inforbix has done is it's extracted all the information contained within that particular worksheet and created an Inforbix table. Now this is interesting because an Inforbix table is dynamically updated. So at any time, if a change is made to that particular worksheet within that Excel file, it'll be reflected and I'll know about it. And if I share this or if I'm monitoring any changes, it makes it really easy to assure that any information contained herein is going to be always up to date. So I noticed, by the way, that there are no headers on this. And I do notice that the headers are contained here. For whatever reason, that's just the way this particular spreadsheet or worksheet was formatted. So I can go ahead and quickly create headers automatically by just editing the columns. I can go ahead and say I want to edit those columns. And if I see that this is, in fact, the headers, I can just go ahead and click on them and apply that particular editing, and now I've got the headers. So now I've got a something that's meaningful. By the way, let's say that I'm going to be sharing this with, I'm in engineering, and I'm going to be sharing this with the manufacturing people, and they don't call this part number. They actually call this item number. And I want to make sure that it's meaningful to them. So I can go ahead and apply that editing again, and now I have item number. So I've just changed that. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this table. I can save it as here, or I can save it here. Let me just go ahead and save this table, and I'm going to call this the bulkhead BOM table, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and save it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the dashboard, because in the dashboard what I'm able to do is I'm able to monitor any changes. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new dashboard, if you will, that'll allow me to always monitor if there's any changes to that. Now here's the bulkhead BOM table I just created, so I'm just going to go ahead and click that, and Inforbix is going to add it to the dashboard. And I can go ahead and click on that, and I can see the table here. I can go back to the original table if I want. Now if there's any changes made to that particular spreadsheet and worksheet, I'll be able to know that it's actually happened. And I can also go ahead and share this particular spreadsheet with anyone else, and I'm assured that the information I share is also going to be up to date. That's how Inforbix can help you get more out of your Excel sheets. Thank you.